Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Klarna unable to process request error. First, check your internet connection and try again. A weak or unstable connection can cause this error. Next, open your app and then go to more in the bottom right and log out of your app and log in again. This refreshes your account session. Then make sure the app is updated to the latest version. Open the App Store or your Play Store, search for Klarna, and update the app if you already not updated it. If you're using a browser, clear the browser cache and cookies. Sometimes this error can also happen due to server issues, so wait a few minutes and try again. That's how you fix the Klarna unable to process request error. Do not forget